So let me serve you up some of this truth serum on this moon day morning. Been a lot of talk lately, basically coming from those democratic slaves about how this is not the time for division and we need to stop tearing black people down. Nah, let me tell you Negro sheep something. This is the perfect time for division, and it's always the perfect time to tear down bed wenches, bed bucks, coon, black sellouts, and the rest. For instance, if you're trying to get me on that democratic plantation with you, yeah, there has to be a clear separation. We can't be talking about let's all come together and unite, because see, our ancestors is different. Yeah, my ancestors is much different from yours. Yeah, see, my ancestors gave me specific guidelines on how to get away from you except nothing ass niggas. So we're all of a sudden supposed to unite behind a woman who made her career off of incarcerating black men and separating black families? Nah, kick rocks, Negropean, you got us fucked up over here. So we're supposed to unite behind a white male Dixiecrat who wrote crime bills since 1976 to lock up black families, but also said that he didn't want black children integrated into the public school because that would be like his children going to school in a jungle? You want us to unite behind that? Nah, Negropean, kick rocks, fuck out of here. Yeah, there should always be a separation from those Negropeans who are trying to get you killed. But a better question is, when over the last 50 years have we been united? Or are we just supposed to unite whenever the democrats need a vote? So what, we just supposed to unite whenever it's time to vote in slave owners? Plus, bottom line, separation is natural. I mean, you don't see the lion sharing space with the sheep unless it's time to eat and they on the hunt. I wouldn't care if I'm the last man standing. I'll never sell my soul like these Negropeans. And you shouldn't either.